Okay. So 3-point perspective, the most aesthetically pleasing perspective to make your drawings look all like very beautiful, very attractive, like chef kiss. Mwah! First and foremost, as the name suggests, there are 3 points in 3-point perspective. 1, 2, and 3. And also 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And of course, we have the horizon line as usual, which is normally present either over here or over here. Now, there are 2 types of 3-point perspective. The first one is an ant's eye view, and the second one is a bird's eye view. Now, the ant's eye view 3-point perspective will appear as if we are looking at an object from below, okay? So the object is over here and we are looking at it from below. And in the bird's eye view, we will be looking at it, which is over here in my hand, from above, okay? We are standing above it. Now, once you have said that, once you understand that, you can start drawing simple objects, simple boxes, simple shapes, simple other geometric objects. Like for example, this is a box and this is another box that I've drawn on top of the main box. This box is for the AC or some sort of air conditioning unit or some sort. This is for the lights. This is a sign. Okay, so this thing is sort of like a petrol pump or something. And make sure the object converges to the 3 points in the scene. So 1 point, 2 point, and the 3rd point. Okay, this converges to the 3rd point. Okay, this thing to the 2nd point, and this thing to the 1st point. Alright, so construct the scene using simple objects, simple cubes, simple cylinders, alright, simple shapes. Okay, and as you keep adding on different more and more shapes and more objects, you will construct a scene something like this. So this petrol pump over here I have constructed only with simple objects. There are no complicated objects, like most of the things over here are made up of cubes. Same goes for the bird's eye view. So this box over here is the main center of attraction, is a main object in the scene, and then I've constructed this one under the under the main box, and this ledge lies behind that box. Then these railings are simple cylinders. Then this trash can is a simple cylinder. Then this tire or something like that is a simple tube or a cylinder. Then this ball is a simple sphere as usual. Then these are the bricks. So you get the point, alright? Construct the scene using simple objects, and then you will eventually get a scene out of it. You only need a cube or a box to draw literally anything and everything. You only need to understand the perspectives. Learn to draw the box in perspective. Once you have done that, once you have constructed your scene using simple boxes and simple shapes, what you can do is start adding figures. Now figures or characters are also constructed using simple shapes. So look at this person is hiding over here, and I have constructed him using simple geometric shapes. Same goes for this person as well. He is hanging from the roof of the petrol pump. I don't know how did he get there. Okay, he's a superhuman literally. So these boxes are what's gonna help in constructing a figure or anything that you want to put in a scene. And as I've mentioned before, the arms and the legs can also be broken down into boxes. Okay, they do not have to be cylinders, so they can also be broken down into boxes for better understanding of the particular perspective that you're drawing. So everything merges onto these 3 points. Now sometimes the other points may not merge together, but that doesn't mean that it is wrong. It just has its own perspective. Okay, so the 3rd point in this cube, in this torso, is over here. Okay, and the 2nd point as usual is over here and the first point is over here. Okay, so it has its own third point, own perspective. It lies in its own perspective. The same thing goes over here. This person is looking above, and the shapes and the 3D objects, the cylinders, the cube, etc., overlap each other, okay, because of the perspective. So the overlap is most important, because without the overlap, then the perspective would be wrong, then it would look just wonky. And this person is looking at this person over here, and it also lies in a different perspective. So the third point is somewhere around here. And if you break down the faces into cubes, they also lie in perspective. I have just used a spear to indicate their faces, because that is of course how faces are made of. And these two scenes are all from memory. Okay, so if you understand perspective, if you understand how to draw boxes in perspective, be it 1 point, 2 point or 3 point perspective, especially 3 point perspective, then you can literally draw anything, literally anything from your memory. You don't even have to use a reference. Okay, this is the most important thing to learn while drawing. Perspective is like very important, and once you get it, it's really fun. It's really easy and fun. Okay, it's really exciting to draw these big scenes. Okay, and to put characters in a scene, okay, interacting with each other. All right, so yeah, and that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and join the Discord. And until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.